New and existing carriers continue to grow and add service at FLL. Today we have 40 more daily departures than we had this time last year. FLL has nonstop service to all of its top 50 domestic markets, and with airlines like British Airways, Emirates, and Norwegian, you're virtually one stop away from anywhere in the world. Now that's what we call global connectivity.
One of the challenges for the terminal modernization program here at FLL is the limited space that we have. We're creating space on existing space. So here's a great example at Terminal 1. We actually created 80,000 square feet of additional space on top of the existing roof. As we go through the process of building this project, we also had to operate the airport. So as we're doing construction for the past 2 years, we had 30,000 passengers per day go through this terminal while we do the construction on the roof. And then as you see the large volume of this BC connector, which connects A, B, and C for both our domestic and international flights. Also in this additional 80,000 square feet, we're able to add additional concessions, restaurants. So as the passengers go through our new security checkpoint, they can enjoy the views of our airside.
There are three primary challenges facing FLL over the short and long term, which are being carefully studied in the master plan. First is the fact that FLL operates with a very small landmass. A 1,400-acre site is a very small footprint for a large hub airport. Second is the continued expansion of FLL landside system and gate inventory. And the last one is facing an evolving aviation industry and its dynamic nature and propensity for change.
Taking care of the customers at FLL is our core mission. Providing the best guest experience for the international and domestic passengers coming into our airport is of utmost importance to us. To that end, we've taken a new initiatives within the last year. One of them is to increase our staffing in the customs facilities. We call our customer service representatives the directors of first impressions, because they are solely responsible to ensure that all the international visitors coming into our airport have the best first impression of our community. Additionally, we've also installed 6 lactation suites called Baby Oasis, so that the mothers visiting our airport are able to take care of their babies in a safe, clean, and private environment. We also have not forgotten about our 4-legged friends, and to that end, we refurbished 4 pet relief areas in front of our terminals. We also have 2 pet relief areas post-security so that our connecting passengers can take care of their furry friends. Our mission is to ensure that every passenger making a global connection at our Broward County's FLL always has an outstanding guest experience.
In terms of global connectivity, it provides optimal lead times to our clients. It's minimal deviation for the ocean transportation, whether it's cross-Atlantic, whether it's trade with Asia, Latin America or Africa, it's right there in the corridor.
they have a great relationship with U.S. Customs, and that allows our containers to be cleared on a timely basis, which is very important because it allows our containers to get to market quickly and to our customers, so that when you walk into a store and you want to buy that fine bottle of Bordeaux, it's ready for you.
Well, Port Everglades has a very clear vision on where we want to go as a port community. That's based on the master plan. And the master plan sets forth very clear goals and objectives, and also a very well-structured capital allocation. I think the analysis on where to put your money is very important, so that the port really invests in activities and infrastructure that is going to add value to our customers.
Port Everglades has a competitive edge over the other ports because of the one-stop shop. A vessel can arrive to one dock and supply various different companies. Here, 12 companies, it can pump at the same time. For our supply, it's very helpful to get the ship in and out in a 24-hour time frame.
We place great value on our long and successful relationship with the Port and Broward County. We very much enjoy working with the Port team under the leadership of Port CEO and Director Steve Cernak in reaching our most important goal, which is delivering memorable vacation experiences to our guests. Thus, we would have to say a key competitive advantage of the Port is its people and the shared belief in the importance of the cruise industry.
We're now, and we always have been, focusing primarily on domestic travel, domestic events, conventions, trade shows, etc. And as we look down the road toward the expansion, we're excited about the potential to do larger, potentially international events. What we're doing to prep for that is keeping the building as open and usable as possible. Plus, also, when needed, we provide international translation services, things that international travelers are going to demand when we start doing more and more, potentially, of those types of events. That we're ready for just about anything that comes our way long term. So we're very, very excited about the potential, and we know that it's going to provide huge economic impact for the county going forward.
I think what differentiates Greater Fort Lauderdale is our welcoming, open arms attitude. We are a very diverse community, and we welcome everybody. In this day and age, that is so important. I think the other thing that differentiates us, which I love, is we're casual. Now, I'm not very casual right now, but if I were visiting, I could be staying at the Ritz, but walking outside in my flip-flops and my shorts and listening to great music. So you can dress up if you want to, but really the vibe around here is kind of super cool and casual. People can just be themselves, and I think that's very, very, very important.
Well, I think our international clientele will definitely look for some variety in the product that we offer, not only in terms of hospitality, but also in terms of entertainment and shopping. The Conrad was just added to the beautiful array of hotels that we have here in Fort Lauderdale, and the Four Seasons will be soon coming into town. That will add quite a bit of appeal to the overall destination in bringing more variety and a panel of offering that I think the destination deserves and the international clientele also wants.